My adventure today is school. After school, I went to Alwada Mall for our CG meeting today. After CG meeting, we went to the church. Attend church service in volunteering in ushering team. If you like my video guys, don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Happy weekend everyone. How is your day today? Hope all is good and good health always. No sickness. Good night and sweet dreams.